Hey guys, welcome to the next episode in my Easy Money Making Ideas series. So today we're going to be talking about Fiverr. For those of you who don't know, Fiverr is a website where you can sign up and offer services online to people. So, for example, you can offer sort of marketing services, writing, translation if you speak multiple languages. If you're good at video, you can sort of make little logos for people. If you're good at sort of analytics, even you can do business things. I once did this music thing where I wrote a rap for someone. You can do music and audio stuff if you're into that. Even like gaming lessons, tutoring stuff. You can do basically anything on Fiverr. And you might think, well, what if I don't have any skills to sell? No one's going to pay me. Well, actually, you'd be surprised. People will pay for almost anything on Fiverr, and it is a cool way for you to make money. For example, we can all speak, and you can offer voiceover services on Fiverr. So someone sends you a script, and if you have a microphone, you literally just read what they say. Obviously, try and read it in a professional way. If you're not very good at English, then maybe this isn't the best gig for you, but you can do that pretty easily and people will pay you to do it. And there's so many different things. So I will show you guys some of the gigs that I offer. So my most popular gig is helping people rank their book top of Amazon. So when you write a book on Amazon, you have to include like a listing. And as I talked about in my SEO guide, I'm quite good at SEO, so I help put sort of keywords in their listing to help them rank higher. And I've sold quite a lot of that. I also do other stuff, so Instagram, social media management, writing CVs. So I do all of that stuff as well, but definitely the SEO one is my best seller. Now, I haven't been doing it for too long, but within the past sort of few months, I have made $1,000 from 26 orders. I sell for an average about $50 each, usually for my Amazon listing. And I was at a level 1 seller at one point and then had to cancel someone's order recently. But anyway, I've got lots of 5-star ratings. It's pretty easy to get 5-star ratings, and I've done loads of stuff for people in UK, US, Europe, Australia, all of that. Anyway, how do you start selling on Fiverr? What are my top tips to get noticed? First of all, you've got to search on Fiverr for something that maybe you could offer. So say you're good at writing blogs, you can type blog writing, and then it comes up with different things. Blog writing, SEO blog writing, blog post writer, writing blog articles. So let's just say blog post writer. And then it comes up with all of these different things, and lots of these people have a few reviews, so obviously some people are buying. I would be your blog post content writer. Get a high quality 500-word article, only $5. Okay, I mean, that person's selling really cheap. But what usually happens, and what I suggest you do, is you offer a really basic package for $5, but then you like improve, so $20 and then sort of $80. Okay, this person's ridiculously cheap, but so I presume they're not very good. But anyway, that's the kind of thing that you can do. Anyway, once you've decided on what you want to sell, you can start making your gig. You just have to make an account and go add gig and then start the process. Now, the first thing you have to do is choose a title. It has to start with I will for some reason, and then you have to do a very short thing. So if you guys haven't seen my SEO guide that I did a few days ago, then I really suggest you watch that, because that's going to be really useful in helping your Fiverr to rank. So I will help your Amazon book rank top of search using SEO. So I've got some of the key keywords within my title, which is SEO, Amazon book, top of search, SEO search, all of that stuff, and rank as well. So I've included loads of the keywords for my service within the title. And then you just have to go through in the description, write a little description about what you offer. Again, so include keywords within that. You get a little section to add keywords to. So again, look at my SEO guide and see how you can find keywords, because they're going to be very important. And then, yeah, two of the main things is the photo. You need to have an engaging photo, either with some sort of writing like this that people can easily see, or with something cool like a, make it on Canva or something. And I'll do a guide on Canva soon. But yeah, that's basically what you do. And then is the packages. So again, a really good trick is for the basic package, make it quite cheap. Okay, mine's not that cheap, but my service is kind of more premium. But say, for example, you are doing blog writing like we looked at. So your first blog could be like $10, and it'll be like write a 200 words blog description, or something really basic that isn't actually writing a blog. It's just something basic that no one's going to buy. But it means you'll show up on Fiverr with that really low price. And then for your standard and premium, you can start upselling. So your standard can be, I will write a 500-word blog. Then your premium will be like, I will write a 1,000-word blog to include keywords, and you can make that a lot more expensive. And then, yeah, that's basically all you have to do. Maybe get one of your friends to buy your gig when you first do it, and then just give them the money back. Only because it's a lot easier to rank on Fiverr if you've already had a sale and you have some reviews. It's really important you try and get those 5-star reviews. And the other one is to share your gig. So just copy your gig, paste it on your social media, and ask people just to click on it or check it out. Because if it gets lots of clicks, again, Fiverr will rank you higher. Eventually, you'll hopefully start ranking near the top of whatever gig you're offering. For example, blog writing or helping your Amazon book rank. And then you should hopefully get your first sale. Fiverr take 20%. It's quite a lot that they take. So for example, if I sell for $55, they'll take $11 of that. So I'll only get $44, which is annoying, but still they are offering quite a cool service. So I have to give them their money. So take that into account. But yeah, Fiverr is a really awesome website. You can sell almost anything on there. It's free. You don't have to pay for an account or anything. So you guys might as well just set up a few gigs of stuff you can offer. Get the keywords right, share it across your socials, try and get maybe a friend to buy it, and then just hope that one of those gigs starts to rank and you'll start getting some sales. And it's a really fun way to get a little bit of extra income. Anyway, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe for more money making hacks. And until next time, see ya.